tough one, that's this.
What's good? It's your Uncle KamWood, also known as the rapper Barber. Hey, look, today we got a nice little video of me showing you how the rapping Barber Mousse works.
Serious, being broke can't make.
Now, what you want to do is take a nice amount, pretty much a handful, or you kind of want to get the waves saturated. In this case, it'll be the waves. You get it saturated with the mousse, brush it in so it'll lock in with the waves.
Bottom line is, I'm the one to make a way. Stressing over what if God gave another day. The point I want to make is that you gotta make a play. You missing every shot for every shot you don't take. The struggle you can break down in so many ways. Just come to play and let God take the center stage. Start to glow and realize it was just a phase.
Then what you want to do is take a do-rag for maximum laydown. You take the do-rag, put it on there nice and snug. If you don't know how to put a do-rag, just watch how I do it.
Just go through the maze.
With the do-rag, you mainly want to just tie it on as tight as possible, not cutting off no circulation. And when you pull the do-rag in the back, it'll lay the hair down. That way, it'll prevent from any frizziness, and it'll really activate the mousse.
How I feel to be a millionaire member. It don't stop.
We're just gonna get my man's beard together real quick so you guys can see the finished product. As you can see, I'm using the Tomb 45 Babeless boys. Yeah, they hitters. And I haven't even zero gapped these, so they still do wonders.
So when life starts swinging, I be ready to frog. Straight ahead, yeah, pushing full speed. Only one
quick little razor line, just to get that thing to pop.
Time to grieve, see him lacing up front. Watch how I'm about to weave. Stick around, they ask why I gotta leave. If I'm not what I'm on, I can't grow, I believe. They say it's in you, not on you like jeans. Welcome to the club.
I didn't get to record it, but I put them under the dryer for a good 2 to 3 minutes just so the mousse can activate.
We pray and grind for our ones to be bigger. KamWood, how I feel to be a millionaire member. This.
And voila, there you have it. Rapping Barber Mousse. Get yours today, DM, or hit the link in the description.
How I feel to be a millionaire.